Keep watching to see how to make this really quick and easy thank you card. Shown here and also linked in the description box below are all of the supplies that you'll need to make this card. All that you really need is some paper, a pencil, and then whatever color pen you choose to use. The first step is to take your pencil and base paper or cardstock and simply draw out the design on your card. There's a free template linked in the description box below. Once you're happy with the design and you have it all drawn out in pencil, switch over to whatever color pen that you're using. Here I'm using a gray Faber-Castell pen and simply outline the lettering or just trace over the pencil lines for the lettering that you just previously drawn. Next, use a straight edge, or if you want you can freehand this in and simply add in these line elements here on the design. I ended up using just a spare piece of cardstock that I had, or this might even be a note card, so really any straight edge that you have laying around will work. And once you have the outline of the design complete, all you need to do is go and color in the background using the same color pen, leaving the lettering white. And once the background is complete, this simple and quick thank you card is done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making this card yourself. It would be super easy to customize by simply changing the pen color that you're using.